G'day, it's Nat Alablas here, your digital marketing sleuth, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the new version of Google Search Console to submit a URL for indexing. Now in the old version you used to use a function called fetch as Google whenever you wanted to submit a new URL for it to be indexed as quickly as possible. But on the new version of Google Search Console, the fetch as Google function has changed. It is now under what we call URL inspection, and it's a lot faster to do in terms of you don't have to click too many boxes and go through any sort of security checks beforehand. It's a lot quicker in that respect. So I'm going to show you now step by step how to do this. So make sure that you've got a URL from your website copied and pasted ready to put into Google Search Console, which I've done. And on the left here, just click on URL inspection, and then this box will light up ready for you to paste the URL. And I'm just going to grab one that I've already indexed, but I'm going to show you just for the purposes of this video. So it's now retrieving data from Google Index to check whether that URL is actually live on Google. And it's just telling me here on inspection that URL is on Google. Now it can appear in Google search results, but obviously doesn't mean that it actually will, but it's been indexed, and that's the main thing. And it just tells us here if the page is mobile friendly and whether it's been submitted and indexed, which I can just click down if I want to actually view any further information. It just tells us the last date that it was crawled and how it was crawled and whether it was successful. And here it says, yes, it was crawled and the page fetch was successful. But we can just get rid of that information. Now, if this was a new post that I had not yet submitted for indexing, I could do that now and by just clicking this here where it says request indexing, and it's doing that now. It's firstly checking that the URL can be indexed, and then once it's been done, it will actually confirm that for me. Now, this process can take a couple of minutes, usually 2 to 3 minutes, so don't be too stressed if it is taking a while. I would just resume some other work and come back to that, and I'm just going to pause this video and I'll come back to you in a moment once it's been completed. Welcome back, and as we can see now, the indexing has been requested, and it says URL was added to a priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. So it's been done, the indexing request has been sent through, and it should be crawled and indexed very shortly. So that is how you would submit a URL for indexing in the new version of Google Search Console. But until next time, it's bye for now.